Welcome everyone, my name is Woz. What you're about to hear may rattle something deep inside you. Not because it's new, but because it's ancient. Because it's been hiding in plain sight, because it's the truth. And once you hear it, you can never unhear it. Paradigms. They are not just habits. They are not just routines. They are invisible blueprints. Controlling your income, your relationship, your confidence, your entire reality. And the wild part, most people never choose their paradigm. It was installed, programmed, handed to them by well-meaning parents, confused teachers, and social media. But here's the golden key. You can change it. You can rewrite it. And when you do, your entire life shifts. Now pause with me and imagine this. There is a quiet voice in your head telling you you're not ready, you're not smart enough. That dream, it's not for you. That voice is not your truth. It is your program. It's a loop, a groove so worn into your mental record, it plays even when you're not aware. But you can lift the needle, you can scratch the record, and you can create a new song. And the first lyric is this: I am ready now. Bob Proctor once said, paradigms control what you do. If you don't change the paradigm, your life won't change. And that hit me like thunder because I finally saw it. The people winning at life, they aren't always the smartest. They aren't the most educated. They just learned how to install a better program. Meanwhile, brilliant minds remain broke. Hard workers are stay exhausted. And good people live small lives, not because they're wrong, but because their paradigms are outdated. But you, yes, you are here to break that cycle. Let me share something deeply personal. I was stuck mentally, emotionally, and financially. Until one evening, my wife sat me down and said, let's watch this together. And it was the movie called The Secret. And I'll be honest, at first I resisted. But something in this cracked me open. That movie led me to Bob Proctor and then to Joe Vitale. And suddenly, everything I thought I knew shifted. I wasn't just hearing words, I was realizing the reality. Reality buried under years of programming. I began to see that I wasn't broken. I was just conditioned, and that meant I could be reconditioned. That moment, watching The Secret, wasn't just a spark, it was an ignition. You want to earn more, love deeper, feel powerful again? Good, because I'm going to give you the process that rewires it all. Step 1 is awareness. You must see the prison before you can escape it. So write it down on paper, describe your current reality exactly as it is, like your finances, your habits, your health, your relationships. Don't sugarcoat it, don't filter it, expose it, because clarity is power. Now burn it. Yes, burn that paper, because you're not that story anymore. You are the star of your own movie now, not the sidekick. Step 2, design the new you. Take a new page. At the top, write this sacred phrase. I am so happy and grateful now that. Now describe your new reality. Not what is possible, not what is reasonable, but what sets your soul on fire. Describe it in color, in sound. How does it feel to live in abundance? To wake up energized? To laugh with someone who adores you? To give, travel, and dance freely? That vision is your new paradigm. And step 3, commit like your life depends on it. Because it does. Sign the new story. Read it every day, morning and night. Embody it. Feel it. See it. Don't wait for results. Become the results. For 90 days, read it until your nervous system accepts it as real. Because repetition is the language of the subconscious. And the subconscious, it doesn't argue, doesn't judge, it obeys. Listen, paradigms don't fight fair. They will tell you to stay safe, to stay small, and to wait. But let me tell you something sacred. Discomfort is the price of change. Every great shift feels awkward at first. Like the first day of your gym session, after a long break, your body says no, but your soul says yes. Push through the awkward, because on the other side is freedom. Your paradigm doesn't care if you're kind, or smart, or deserving. It only responds to programming, so program it, rewire it. Take control of the story you are living, because you were never meant to live by default. You were meant to live by design. And that design, my friend, is already inside you. It's waiting, calling, and ready. So, here is your invitation. Start today. Write it, feel it, live it, and read it. And then repeat it. And when your old paradigm screams, you can't, you whisper back, I already am. This is your paradigm shift. Not tomorrow, it is now. So stay tuned. The best is already inside you.